everyone. So if you use the same Meet link for all your Google Meets and you also use breakout rooms with Google, today I'm going to show you how to clear your participants from your previous Meet so that you can set up for your current breakout session. So let's get started. To get to your breakout rooms, you need to click on the shapes, which is your activities icon. When you click on that, it gives you the options of the activity. You're going to click breakout rooms. So you're going to click set up breakout rooms. And then you're going to click clear to clear any previous participants from the room. When you click clear, this icon pops up and asks if you want to clear disconnected users. Click clear. This will clear your disconnected users. So once you do that, you just click on shuffle and it will reshuffle your current participants back into their room. Then you can click open rooms. While breakout sessions are open, say you forget to set the timer, you just click on edit rooms and it will give the option to edit your rooms. You can then add a timer if you'd like. Say I want to end it in 5 minutes, so I can add my timer. And then you can also move your participants into new breakout sessions as well. So you would just click on their name and move them into whichever room you want them to. Once you click save, it will ask your participant to join their new breakout session, and then they can just join. If you want to close your room sooner than the set time, you just click close rooms, and then you can close all rooms. And then if you want the room to close right away, you click close rooms again, and it will close all your rooms right away. And that's how you clear the participants from your previous Google Meet breakout session to set up for your current breakout session. And that's it. Thank you for watching.